July. Say hi, buddy.
What's up?
We're looking at some incredible cloud stuff, so let's get